All right, so this is a related rate problem that deals with a circle. So this has a ruptured tanker and the oil spills in a circle on the surface of the ocean. So the radius of the spill increases at a rate of 2 meters per minute. And so it says how fast is the area of the spill increasing when the radius is 4 meters. So I always like to draw a picture just to kind of visualize what's going on. So this is my radius, and I know that it's increasing, which is my dr dt, at 2 meters per minute. Okay, so I'm looking at area of a circle. So area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So if I'm looking at the change in the area with respect to time, it's actually going to be 2 pi r times dr dt. It's just the derivative. So plug in the pieces. They told us that our radius is at 4 meters. So that's where I'm getting it from, is 4 meters. And our dr dt, we already said, was 2 meters per minute. So from this, I get dA dt is equal to 16 pi. And this ends up being, since it's area and we're using meters, it's meters squared per minute. And that's our area, change in area with respect to time.